The Magpie and the Milk. It's a beautiful day. The farmer looks in her bucket. Nice warm milk. Thank you, cow, she says. I can make some cheese, but first I must make a fire. A magpie sees the milk. Warm milk, he says. Mmm. He flies down and sits on the bucket. But the bucket falls over. Oh no, says the magpie. Bad magpie, the farmer says, and she catches his tail. The magpie pulls and pulls. Oh, his tail comes off. Farmer, farmer, says the magpie, please give me my tail. Bring me some nice warm milk, says the farmer. Then you can have your tail. The magpie talks to the cow. Cow, cow, the magpie says, please give me some nice warm milk for the farmer. Then I can have my tail. Bring me some long green grass, says the cow. Then you can have some milk. The magpie talks to the field. Field, field, the magpie says, please give me some long green grass for the cow. Then the farmer can have her milk, and I can have my tail. Bring me some nice cool water, says the field. Then you can have some grass. The magpie talks to the river. River, river, he says, please give me some nice cool water for the field. Then the cow can have her grass, the farmer can have her milk, and I can have my tail. Fly up into the mountains and bring me some rain, says the river. Then you can have some water. So the magpie flies up into the mountains. He sees a big white cloud. Cloud, cloud, he says, please give me some rain for the river. Then the field can have its water. Cloud, cloud, he says, please give me some rain for the river. Then the field can have its water. The cow can have her grass. The farmer can have her milk, and I can have my tail. I can help you, magpie, says the cloud. And it rains. It rains on the mountains. Then the rain goes down the mountains and into the river. Thank you, cloud, says the magpie. He flies down to the river. River, river, there's your rain, he says. Now can I have some nice cool water? Yes, magpie, says the river. Here it is. Thank you, river, says the magpie. He takes the water to the field. Field, field, here's your water, he says. Now can I have some long green grass? Yes, Magpie, says the field. Here it is. Thank you, field, says the magpie. He takes the grass to the cow. Cow, cow, here's your grass, he says. Now can I have some nice warm milk? Yes, Magpie, says the cow. Here it is. Thank you, cow, says the magpie. He takes the milk to the farmer. Farmer, farmer, here's your milk, he says. Now can I have my tail? Yes, Magpie, says the farmer. Here it is. She puts on the magpie's tail, and he flies away. There, says the farmer. Now I can make my cheese.